In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple inboxes in Gmail. This feature is incredibly useful for anyone wanting to enhance their email productivity by organizing messages more efficiently. Let's dive right in and get started on setting this up. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. You can do this by typing google.com into your address bar. Once you are on the Google homepage, you'll see the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on this to log into your Google account. It's essential to be signed in since we'll be customizing Gmail settings later on. If you have multiple accounts, select the one where you want to configure multiple inboxes. With that done, the next step is to access Gmail. You can do this by clicking the Gmail option from the Google Apps menu, which is represented by a grid or set of 9 small squares located near the top right corner of the page, right next to your profile picture. Clicking this will take you straight to your Gmail inbox, giving us a good starting point. Once in Gmail, look towards the upper right corner and click on the gear icon. This represents the settings option. Clicking on this should reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find See All Settings. Select this option to open the full settings menu. Navigating these settings might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Within the settings menu, you'll notice several tabs along the top. Look for the one labelled Advanced. Clicking on this brings up a set of features you can enable. Here, find the option labelled Multiple Inboxes. Once you see it, go ahead and click Enable. This feature essentially allows you to manage different sections within your main inbox, which can be customized for various types of emails, like starred messages or drafts. Now that multiple inboxes is enabled, switch to the new tab that should appear called Multiple Inboxes within the settings menu. Here, you'll be able to configure how your inboxes are arranged and what criteria each section will display. You can specify certain search queries for each inbox panel, guiding Gmail on which emails you'd like sorted into separate categories. Customize these settings according to your needs. For example, you might want one section for your starred emails and another for emails marked important. Once you've configured everything the way you like, be sure to scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This action will apply your adjustments and reload your inbox, showcasing the new layout with multiple sections arranged perfectly for better email management. And there you have it. You've successfully set up multiple inboxes in Gmail. Feel free to experiment with different configurations to find what best suits your workflow. As always, thanks for watching, and be sure to let us know how this feature improves your emailing experience.